Hi, my name is Jonathan. I'm here to talk about a couple of really awesome products that I have installed in my truck. It's a 2021 Ford F150, and I have two products made by Tuffy. The first product is a center console safe. The second product is rear seat storage safe that I have in the back of my truck. If I need to take it out of the back, it's very easy to remove. I keep usually rifles in there, but if there's anything valuable, I would always lock that up as well. In the center console, I keep a 45 when traveling. It's just always nice to have because one, I don't want my kids to get involved. It gives me a ton of peace of mind with my kids. I have 3 kids ranging from the age of 9 to 14. They can always be curious, even though I know they would never want to handle a firearm. It's peace of mind for myself and my wife that we'll never put them in danger. Very high quality. You can tell that it's a lot of time and effort got put into designing it. A lot of time and effort got put into making the product. It's a great product. It's extremely strong. It's extremely durable. Definitely feel like it's going to last the life of the vehicle and longer.